What's up everybody, it's Money Mindset and welcome to a video that could change your life. We're diving deep into wealth accumulation, your roadmap to financial freedom. Now, you might think it's all about luck, inheritance, or some get-rich-quick scheme. But let me tell you, it's far from that. Building wealth is about making smart, strategic decisions consistently over time. In this video, I'm breaking down the steps to make wealth accumulation achievable for you. We're covering everything from shifting your mindset to mastering your finances so you can start building the future you deserve. The first step to building wealth is rewiring your thinking. Many people are stuck in a consumer mindset. It's all about instant gratification, buying the latest gadgets, and racking up debt. But to truly build wealth, you need to adopt an investor mindset. Think long-term. Think about how every dollar you spend today could be an investment in your future. Look at people like Warren Buffett, who's famous for his frugal lifestyle despite his massive wealth. He understands the power of delaying gratification and investing wisely. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making smart choices consistently over time. Shift your perspective, and you'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Look, you wouldn't buy a house without understanding the mortgage, right? The same goes for your financial future. Financial literacy is crucial for making informed decisions about your money. Start with the basics, understanding budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. There are tons of free resources available, from reputable websites to books and podcasts. Check out Investopedia, The Motley Fool, or even my channel for a wealth of information. Don't be afraid to dive in and learn. The more you understand about personal finance, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions that build lasting wealth. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Alright, let's get real for a second. You can't even think about building wealth if you don't know where your money is going. That's where budgeting comes in. It's not about restricting yourself, it's about understanding your spending habits and making your money work for you. Start by tracking every single dollar you spend for a month, and I mean everything. You'll be surprised where your money is actually going. Then categorize your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Remember those avocado toasts? Yeah, those can add up. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, create a budget that aligns with your goals. And the golden rule of building wealth: pay yourself first. Before you even think about spending, set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. Automate this process so you're consistently building your wealth on autopilot. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Now let's talk about putting your money to work. The magic of compound interest is real, my friends. It's like a snowball effect where your money earns money, and then that money earns even more money. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to investing, so the earlier you start, the better. Now there are tons of investment options out there, from stocks and bonds to real estate and index funds. Don't get overwhelmed, start with the basics. Index funds, for example, are like the diversified all-stars of the investment world, offering a low-cost way to invest in a basket of stocks. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes to minimize risk. And speaking of risk, understand your risk tolerance. Investing always involves some level of risk, so choose investments that align with your comfort level. Let's face it, relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one very fragile basket. If something happens to that one source, you're in trouble. That's why building multiple income streams is crucial for financial security and wealth building. Think of it as having multiple rivers flowing into your financial lake. Passive income is your best friend here. This could be anything from rental income to dividends from investments, or even creating and selling online courses or digital products. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have that others might pay for? Explore those avenues and get creative. Remember, building wealth is not just about earning more. It's about creating a safety net and diversifying your income sources. Alright, so you're well on your way to building wealth, you've got the right mindset, you're budgeting, investing, maybe even building some side hustles. That's fantastic. But there are some common traps people fall into that can really derail your progress. The first one is lifestyle creep. It's easy to start spending more as you earn more, but that defeats the purpose of building wealth, right? Stay disciplined, keep your housing costs low, and avoid unnecessary expenses. Second, beware of get-rich-quick schemes. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Focus on proven strategies like consistent investing and building a solid financial foundation. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay consistent, and you'll get there. Now you might be thinking, Graham, this all sounds great, but can regular people actually achieve this? Absolutely. I've seen it firsthand. I've met people who transform their finances through dedication and smart choices. Take, for example, a young woman named Sarah. She started with a modest salary but committed to saving a large portion of her income. She lived below her means, invested consistently, and eventually achieved financial independence in her 30s. Or take John, who started a side hustle in his spare time. He turned his passion for woodworking into a profitable business, eventually replacing his full-time income. These stories prove that with the right mindset and strategies, anyone can achieve financial freedom. You got this. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but when will I see results? And that's a perfectly valid question. See, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about consistently making smart decisions over time, like investing consistently, even if it's just a small amount every month. Remember the power of compound interest? Your money starts working for you, making you more money. It's like a snowball effect. The key here is patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see $1 million overnight. Stay focused on your goals, stay consistent with your savings and investments, and trust the process. You've got this. You've got the knowledge, you're fired up, now it's time to take action. Start by reviewing your budget. Can you identify areas to reduce spending and free up more cash flow for investing? Remember, every dollar saved is another dollar working for you. Next, explore different investment options and choose one that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Don't be afraid to start small. Even investing a small amount consistently can lead to significant returns over time. And remember, this is a journey. There will be ups and downs in the market, but by staying committed to your plan and continuously learning, you're setting yourself up for financial success. That's it for our wealth accumulation guide. I hope you found it valuable and actionable. If you did, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more content on personal finance and investing. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Join our thriving community in the comments below, and let's support each other on the path to financial freedom.